My colleague Matthias told me you can find an entrepreneurial ecosystem just about anywhere. So that's what I was going to find out. So I went to a random ecosystem to see if I could find all stakeholders that are responsible in building a entrepreneurial ecosystem. Apparently, there should be 11 actors of an entrepreneurial ecosystem altogether. Let's see if we can find them. First of all, there's the actual entrepreneur. The universities and schools, corporates and medium-sized companies, infrastructure, potential founders, and of course inspiration. B2Cs, products and services, B2Bs, and catching trends. And last but not least, the politicians. Well, finding everyone in the ecosystem doesn't seem as easy, so maybe this smart book can show me how I can find, keep, and catch those actors.